Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use templates in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your browser and then you have to search for like Google Docs here, and after searching for it, click on the first link from here, and then basically you need to click on the second link. So wait for it to load up, and then from here just click on this go to docs option here, and then from here just click on blank option. Sorry, you just need to basically go back from here basically. And now here you can see, when you come onto this page here, you can see that we have like uh, uh, like different kind of templates here. Okay, so here you can see that if you want to write a letter, here we have a template for it. If you want to make a resume, we have a template for it as well. If you want to basically submit a project proposal, we have a template for it as well, a brochure and a report as well. And if you scroll below here, you can see that we have multiple kinds of templates here. Okay, so let's suppose that if you want to write a letter to someone, so you need to just click on this template here, and it will basically load up for you, and then you can just basically change it according to your needs as well. Okay, so you can basically change your name, address, city, phone number, email, date, etc., and you can basically also change this text from here. So that's how you can basically use templates in Google Docs. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.